This bird can inflate a glowing shield on its chest and even grow blue horns when it dances. When it performs, neon horns shoot from its head and a red and blue chest waddle explodes like a parachute. Wait until the end to see how it inflates its waddle. This bird doesn't sing or chirp to impress. He throws on a glowing costume and dances like he's at a rave in the forest. If the female ignores him, he deflates in seconds, then re-inflates and dances again like a tiny dinosaur on repeat. Wait, before I show you how this bird inflates that glowing shield, please subscribe, like, and share this video.